came out public to the media report on what happened.
Speaking to the media on Friday, senior lawyers under the Individual and Community Rights Advocacy Forum raised concerns on the increase in the number of human rights abuse. So far, they have received over 21 complaints of human rights abuse in Alatau alone. They say this is a result of continuous abuse of powers by police and people in position of power.
Police tries to attend to the law and order situation there. The police themselves have raised fear among people, not just fear, but there's real fear because of their actions within the communities. And we are concerned about the human rights abuses there.
Some of these complaints include eviction of settlers in Alatau, unlawful searches without warrants, and unlawful burning down of properties, among others. The lawyers are concerned that PNG is already becoming a police state, with law enforcement officers and those in power becoming more powerful and taking the law unto themselves. Chairman Paul Hariknen says the state of violence and abuse of powers has risen, where lawyers, magistrates and judges can no longer do their work freely without fear, intimidation and harassment.
In the laws, there's a limitation to it. Likewise, the police have powers to arrest, to search, but there are rules and regulations that they need to comply with before they can do that. And as citizens, we are concerned because as we develop and move into the 21st century, if we don't safeguard the rule of law, it's going to be very, very difficult for anything else to happen.
With over 21 complaints recorded in Alatau, they are working with like-minded lawyers in the country to help address this issue. They say the rule of law and the constitution is under attack, and they will continue to assist victims get the justice they deserve.
The cases that have come out as a result of abuses against the people in Melbourne, we have 21 cases that are already put together and are looked at, assessed, and to start the court processes.
They are calling on the government to ensure proper rules of engagement in police operations and to observe the rule of law and follow due processes. The processes are spelled out in the Constitution, and they are the pillars of the democratic government system and the judicial system.
These processes are the pillars of our democratic system of not only government but the judicial system that we have. And if we continue to allow abuses in the disguise of the implementation of the rule of law, then we go against the grain of those provisions.
Rayon Lakingu National, EMTV News.